Hi, I'm Fred Van Allen with Van Allen Associates First Team Real Estate, and welcome to my beautiful listing here in Lincoln Park Historic District. Lincoln Park is on the National Register of Historic Places, and it's a wonderful walking community. We're a block and a half from the circle with the park, and this is a gorgeous two-story craftsman home. Open house a week away. Come on by. You must see this original woodwork without a basement, a video room behind the garage. Amenities, amenities, amenities. Please come by. Love to see you. Thank you very much.